Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd. Let those words tell his story now. Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd. Those words tell his story now. Seren Cymru A'r Byd. From the heartland he came, dear old Pontrydyfen, where coal shone like diamonds, where boys became men, with a voice so commanding there echoed through vales, an acting sensation, a prince born in Wales. Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd. Let those words tell his story now. Seren Cymru A'r Byd. Our local born gem, our star shining bright, an Hollywood legend, teacher's delight. For the stage graced the prince, and that prince became king. The world a new hero, celebrate him and sing. Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd. Let those words tell his story now. Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd. Let those words tell his story now. Seren Cymru A'r Byd. It is written in stone, Seren Cymru A'r Byd, memorial to a legend, one so graced to succeed. In our hearts now forever, Richard Burton, our king. Seren Cymru A'r Byd, for all time there to bring. Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd. Let those words tell its story now. Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd, Seren Cymru A'r Byd. Let those words tell its story now. Seren Cymru A'r Byd.